Before we start this video, remember to click subscribe and the bell notification. Set it to all and it'll notify you every time I upload a video. Cheers guys. Yo, what's happening guys? Welcome to another video. Sorry about the wind, nothing I can do about it. I've already tried to do this once and it started bouncing it down, so this is like a second attempt. So what I've got on this one is, we're going to be working on the CORSA, and what I've got is, I've got this bolt dress up kit from Imperial Performance. Bought these, they didn't like sponsor us or all like that. If you want to, Imperial Performance, you know. But yeah, these bolts on the top of this rocker cover, they're looking a bit worse for wear, they're looking a bit rusty. There's still other stuff in this engine bay that we need to sort out, but it's bloody wind. But it's better to start somewhere than not at all. So yeah, we've got them there. They're going to be replacing all these rusty ones in the centre and round the edge. So I've already got my little ratchet doodle out, and then the piece is like, it's a star, and I think it's a T40. Pretty sure, I've just read it's a T40. It's a bit rusty, so I'm just guessing. But yeah, we're going to do these centre ones first. On the DI pack, unplug that because you've got two bolts which are just there, one at each side, and then that'll allow us to get to the rest of them. I think there's actually some under here, and then the ones on the outer edge. So we'll get this off and then see what else there is, and then we'll smash all the rest of these off. Oh, it's not even a T40 that. Right, so as you've just seen, I've just failed. So these outer ones are T40s, these inner ones are T30s. So T30 stars, T40 stars. Now, when you're taking these out, don't lay them down. Try to keep them stood up because these have got like a solution inside of them. It's like an oil, and if you tilt them, it can, not all the time, but sometimes it can like leak into your coils and it damages them and then end up with a misfire. That's with these B204 DIs. So yeah, top tip for you there. Now, if the products are to go off the packaging, I can't even get into it. I'm gonna have to go get scissors. Right, so I've just nicked my mum's kitchen scissors. We won't tell her that, hopefully she don't watch this video. But I've just got all the bolts out that we need. Left them little ones in for the time being. But what we're gonna do is, because I haven't bought a new rocker gasket, because I'm a tight Yorkshire man. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take the centre one out, replace that one. I'm going to do it all the way around. So like this one, leave that one, do this one, leave that one, do this one, leave that one. You get the idea. So I'm going to do that, and hopefully we shouldn't disturb the seal. So yeah, just do it. Right, so the first one is going in. Just need to get its washer, which is right here, that it comes supplied with. Thank you, Imperial Performance. I'm gonna stick some multi-purpose grease, just a blob on it so it doesn't seize in there, and get it screwed down. I've double make sure to see if these are obviously the same size, which they are, so can't go wrong. Get these all bolted down and we'll be away. But I'm not gonna record doing every single one because there's only so many bolts that you can see go into an hole, isn't there? So yeah, does make it look a lot tidier though. Like,
so shiny.
I mean, look, it just looks so much tidier than them. Right, so this is literally the last one of the bottom ones. Such a difference. I'd say we literally just done odd one and then switched it round. So we've just got, now once I've got this on, I'll go around, check them. I'll get these back ends, this side one, and then we'll get these 4 in, and then job's a good one. That's the end of this video. We've now got these on. Cheers, Imperial Performance, please sponsor me. But yeah, obviously I've inputted the little clip that you'll see after this. With their details, you can get them on eBay, obviously the Imperial Performance website or the Facebook page. Just tidies it up a bit more, gets rid of your rusty bolts. So yeah, cheers guys, thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, like and comment, and remember, whatever you're doing today, make it different. See you later.